Hello, children. This week, our sight words are big. Big. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. Big. Our next sight word is blue. Blue. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Blue. Our next sight word is R. R. They are very happy. They are very happy. They are very happy. R. Our final sight word is at. At. They are at school. They are at school. They are at school. At. These are all our sight words for this week. Why don't you see if you can make sentences of your own using these words? Have fun and have a great week.